dijemput gitu yang barang. Ada nang zorul deh.
I also really want to see more like by adoption because like
Dia punya